How to make new partition of your hard drive of any PC. Here you can see, I have 3 partition in my PC. I am going to make another partition from C drive. Open search bar, search for File Explorer, click on it, right-click on PC icon, then click on Manage. Once this dialog box pop up, click on Disk Management. It will take some time to figure out available list of hard drive. As I mentioned earlier, I am going to shrink C drive. Right-click on it, then click on Shrink Volume. Again, it will take some time to calculate available space for new partition. Here you can see details, space of drive C, total drive size is approximately 455 gigabytes. This details are in MB. Remember, 1000 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. For now, I am making new partition of 50 gigabytes. That means, I have to put 50,000 megabytes to make 50 gigabytes. Then, click on Shrink. It will take little while to create new drive. As you can see, new drive has been created. Right-click on it, click Next and click Next again. Here you can assign drive letter. I am going to choose letter Y, because I will be using this drive to make YouTube videos. You can choose whichever letter is comfort for you. Then click Next. Choose Format this volume with the following settings. Click Next, then click Finish. It will take little while to configuration of new drive. There you go, new volume has been created. Open my computer, there it is. You can also give it a name. I am going to name it YouTube Videos. It will ask for administration permission, just click Continue. All done. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle, for upcoming videos.